Maisy.
I'm Charlie.
I'm Tallulah.
And I'm Eddie.
And we're all tied together
To go mountain climbing.
Oh, look! How about this one?
A very, very big mountain.
All right, let's go. There's a big rock in the way. Let's climb over it. Oh. Woo!
We made it. Whoa. Oh.
Huh?
Huh?
A little help.
Oh, don't worry. It's time for a drink so we can continue to climb up. Here you go, Eddie.
Oh, woo! Oh, thanks. I'm all better.
Oh, what is that?
Look, it's a goat.
Brr.
Where's he going?
I don't know. That's a he. Oh, hi, goat.
Can you show us how to get to the top?
Brr. Follow me. There's the top of the mountain. Goodbye.
I made it! Yes!
Me too.
So do I!
Yeah.
Huh?
Guys, I can't get up.
Oh dear. What are we gonna do, Maisy?
I know. Charlie, Tallulah, we'll pull the rope so Eddie can get up. Pull!
I think I'm getting up to the top of the mountain now. Thank you, everyone. Woo!
Yeah!
It's time to take a rest.
Hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed this video.
And I'll see you later. Peace!
Woo! Goodbye.
Goodbye!
Goodbye.